In this part of the training, we'll learn how to add a parametric material parameter to our table so that we can easily change its finish in the project environment. Select the tabletop geometry in the Family Editor. In the Properties palette, find Material and click the small gray box on the right, Associate Family Parameter. In the pop-up window, click Add Parameter. Name it Top Material. Set type of parameter to Material. Group it under Materials and Finishes. Click OK. Select one of the legs. In Properties, click the gray box next to Material. Choose Add Parameter again and name it Leg_Material. Group under Materials and Finishes. Click OK. Go to Family Types window. You will see Top Material and Leg Material listed. Assign a different material to each parameter. For example, wood for top, metal for legs. Save the family. Load it into a project. In the project, select the table and change the materials in Type Properties to instantly update the look. Now your table is not only parametric in size, but also fully customizable in appearance. You can switch between wood, metal, glass, or any custom finish with just one click.